In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to turn off PlayStation 5 controller on PC. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. If you have your DualSense controller connected to a PC and you would like to turn it off altogether, then I'm gonna give you all of the options that you have to make sure that it gets disabled properly. So, first, the most common way to do this is to simply press and hold the PlayStation button. So just press and hold it for a while, and after a little bit you will see the LEDs turn off, indicating that it is now properly disconnected from your PC. If pressing only the PlayStation button doesn't work, then you might have to try pressing the PlayStation button and the share button together simultaneously for a few seconds. This is the combination that allows you to enter pairing mode over Bluetooth, and by pressing those buttons together again, it is essentially going to unpair itself, but usually only the PlayStation button will be enough. So this is the most important one, and I would recommend that you try this one first. Now, if this doesn't work or you aren't satisfied with the result, what you can do as well is disable Bluetooth altogether on your PC. By disabling Bluetooth, it is essentially going to cut off all the wireless connections, including of course the one from your DualSense controller, so it isn't going to remain connected after you disable it. But if you want to leave it enabled, the best course of action would be to press the PlayStation button like I mentioned. If you are using a wired connection and it is properly connected to one of the USB ports available on your PC, then all that you have to do instead is remove that connection. Immediately upon doing so, the PlayStation controller should turn off automatically after a few seconds without being in use. But the primary way and the most convenient one is always going to be pressing and holding the PlayStation button, either alone or with a combination of pressing the share button as well. So just try either of these options and see whichever works in your specific case. I hope I was able to help you on how to turn off PlayStation 5 controller on PC. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.